Y'all, I'm so excited and also so very pregnant. So let's get this hat press opened up. It is from HTVRONT. I have been wanting this HTVRONT hat press for a while now. If you don't know, I have the HTVRONT Autopress. I also have their mug press. I literally am obsessed with all of their heat presses. So I'm assuming this is going to be no different. Let's open it up, see what's in here, and we're gonna make a hat today. Of course, it comes with the manual, which is always handy. It comes with 2 parts. I'm just gonna move this to the side. So the first part that it comes with is actually going to be the base of what you're using for your hat press. It comes with a little pouch, which is really handy to go ahead and put that in, especially like me, if you're like me and you have kids. Yes, it gets messy. So it comes like this. We're gonna pop it open. Super cute. I love how compact this is. It's all in here ready to go. So the cool thing is not only does it just store really easily, but this is literally the base to your hat press. This piece actually goes on top like so. You can go ahead and put that on there. And I'm just gonna move this to the side. We don't need that. And then we have our actual press. This is so simple to use. I've seen other crafters using this when they've gotten theirs, unboxed theirs. I've been waiting for mine to come in the mail, and now that it's here, I'm like, I'm ready to use it. Let me add her. So I went ahead to the dollar store with my husband and we picked out this hat. It was kind of hard to find a hat with no writing on it, but y'all, I realized something. The sun is choosing violence today, and it is oh so bright, but we're gonna bear with it and just see if we can make this work. So I went ahead and I got this little decal. Here comes the sun from Creative Fabrica. Y'all know I always use Creative Fabrica for my decals. I'm gonna go ahead and lay it right where I want it to go, which is going to be right about here. Super simple. If you want to go ahead and change the temperature, you're just going to press this little kind of settings button, and then you're going to go ahead and either press plus or minus wherever you're at. And this, you can do the same thing for the time, so that's perfect. And then you can go ahead and let it heat up at its own pace. Always helps to read the manual. So this part is where I'm supposed to be putting this thing like this. Makes a lot more sense. And it goes like so. A lot easier to go ahead and press my hat that way. So just thought I would show you that little edit. The other really cool thing is inside the manual, which is really helpful, it actually has the different settings that you should use depending on what type of materials you're using, as well as what type of fabric you have. So I thought this was really helpful, and by reading it, I actually noticed how I'm supposed to use it. So like I said, we're gonna go ahead and put this hat like so onto the hat press. So we want it to be almost like flush, if that makes sense. Now that my press is ready at the temp I want it to, I'm just gonna go ahead, put it right on there, let it do its thing, and press it for about 15 seconds, which is what's recommended in that little heat guide I was showing you. And then we can go ahead and just peel it up slowly, and you have your cute little decal on your hat, pressed and ready to go. How cute is that? Like I said, I really love the HTVRONT products. They're super easy to use, really straightforward. Highly recommend that you check it out for yourself. I also love that this just all really easily is gonna store away. Super simple to just keep in storage to the side. Makes my life a lot easier.